So what happened was I tried to summit a 14er with COVID. A 14er is a mountain that is at least 14,000 feet high. Now, I did not know I had COVID at the time. I tested positive a few days after this hike, but boy did I feel it. Add intense altitude adjustment to a terrible respiratory virus. And yeah, not pretty. Even though I'd started feeling something coming on the day before, I wanted to make the most of my nearness to such a grand peak. And I had already paid the hefty parking reservation fee. If you're planning a trip, head over to parkquandary.com to check the rates. Yikes. No one else wanted to wake up at 4 a.m. and come with me. Something about being on vacation, but I was committed. What does it feel like to hike one of Colorado's 14ers in all their rocky glory and never-ending climb? Come along to find out.
summer wine, so sweet and so divine. Won't let it pass me by. I can't help it. I'm feeling selfish, 'cause I just want days like this forever. I just can't pull myself together. Feel like this nicer weather won't last. Go so fast. Strawberry summertime, strawberry summertime. Will you just last forever, forever? Strawberry summertime, strawberry summertime, strawberry summertime, strawberry summertime.
Quandary Peak blazes above Breckenridge at 14,265 feet. I made it up to the final 1,000-foot ascent when I realized my body was not okay. Listening to my body is an important part of being able to hike and backpack sustainably as someone with chronic pain. And hey, I'm just getting older. Breathing was difficult back in town, but up here, it was becoming increasingly painful and straight up difficult. The dizziness was overwhelming. After passing 13,000 feet, the nausea grew to be almost unbearable. I would have to take it slower if I wanted to make it. And slower meant losing more of the daytime activities with my family. Slower meant pushing the afternoon thunderstorms. And slower didn't guarantee I wouldn't puke in front of the increasing trail crowd. I took a final look up at Quandary's tippy top. The line of humans crawling their way up just didn't appeal to my mind or body anymore. Sometimes you have to know when that view is enough. Sometimes you have to make the tough call to turn back. I started fantasizing about hot soup and tea with lemon on the way down. My lungs and chest felt relatively more free with each section of descent. My heart reached forward to think about being in the midst of my family's energy again. The cabin condo hot tub was calling my trail name. And more than anything, the mountain goats made it all worth it. See you next time, fellas. Thank you so much for taking a walk with me. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more adventures ahead. See you next week.